Some good news for motorists. Fuel prices are set to drop from Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025. Now, that's according to the Department of Petroleum and Mineral Resources. Despite a weaker rand, lower global oil prices had led to a cut of 22 cents per litre for both 93 and 95 petrol. Diesel sees a bigger drop of up to 42 cents per litre. Now, Inland 93 UPL will cost you 21 Rand and 29 cents, and 95 ULP will cost you 21 Rand and 40 cents. Diesel wholesale prices fell to 18 Rand and 90 cents, and that's for 0.05%, and 18.94, and that's for 0.005%, while illuminating paraffin is down to 13 Rand and 5 cents. It's worth noting also that the diesel pump prices may vary. Director of Fuel Pricing, Robert Mark, unpacks the latest changes.
The following fuel prices will be effective on Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025. Both grades of petrol will decrease by 22 cents a litre. Diesel will decrease by 41 and 42 cents a litre. Illuminating paraffin at retail level will decrease by 41 cents a litre. However, the price of LP gas will increase by 46 cents per kilogram. The reason for these adjustments are as follows: the lower oil price and weaker rand against the dollar during the period under review. The LPG gas prices is increasing due to the higher freight rate or shipping cost during the same period. The slate levy remain unchanged at 0 cents per litre in the price structures of petrol and diesel. Thank you.